Rithmomachia, also known as the philosopher's game, is a complex mathematical board game from medieval Europe, played between two players. The side with the first turn is white, also called even, and the other side is black or odd. Each starts with 24 pieces of mostly different values. The circles move one square orthogonally, the triangles move two squares orthogonally, and both the squares in the pyramids move three squares orthogonally. You are not allowed to jump over a piece. That's how the moves work in rithmomachia. We'll talk about the piece values later, but for now, just note that the movement of a piece does not depend on its value. Next, let's look at a few examples of such moves. Okay, here we go. White has the first turn. For the first turn, there are no possible captures before the move, and White's triangle with value 9 moves from C8 to E8, written T9, C8, E8. Note White has no captures after the move either, so it is Black's turn. Next, the black circle with value 9 at M6 moves one space forward, written C9, M6, L6. A turn consists of 3 stages. First, if there are any captures before you move a piece, you make them now if you want. Captures are optional. Second, you make your move. This is mandatory. If you can't move, you lose. Third, if there are any captures after you moved your piece, you make them now if you want. We'll talk about captures and how to declare victory soon. For now, just remember that you can capture before and after your move. After your last capture, it is your opponent's turn. Let's look at a few more moves just to get the hang of it. The white triangle with value 9 advances once more. T9, E8, G8. In response, Black advances the triangle with value 12 to L2, T12, and 2L2. This is a good place to pause and reflect on the position. Black has advanced 2 pieces, the slow-moving C9 and the faster-moving T12. On the other hand, White has advanced only 1 piece, T9, but twice as far in some sense. We are anticipating White's next move. What might it be? Can White threaten Black in some way? Notice that Black's triangle T12 is 8 squares away from the white triangle T72. This thought naturally leads to the next topic. How do pieces capture?